Good everyone. So this is what we'll be doing today. Let's see how we can get this done on SolidWorks. As you can see, so I'll go to File, New, Part. Okay. For this particular work, I'll use the top plane. Then I'll use my center rectangle. I will dimension it 100. Then I will go to offset entity to reproduce back this rectangle. Reverse, the thickness is 8, so I'll get something like this. Then I move to features, extrude boss. Then I'll come here, blind. The total length is 25. I'll have something like this. As you can see, I should have something like this. Then I'll have something like this. Then I move, I rotate, I'll click here, click on sketch. Here, hold control, then I click on convert entities. I go to features, extrude boss. I'll click this button here. It will be 25 minus 15. That's 10. So I have something like this. I click here, sketch. I use a corner rectangle to have this. So this is 30. Then from here to here is 35. You have something like this. Then from this point to this point is 8. I go to features, I click on extrude cut up to surface. Come here. Okay, I'll change it. I'll edit it. It was not up to that surface I wanted. So I'll say up to surface. This is surface I want. So that it will pierce through. Done with this. I should have something like this. Then next step, I come to this point, click on sketch again. I use a corner rectangle again to get this. Then I use I call my dimension from here to here is 10. Then I use smart dimension from this point to this point is 35. Should be able to have something like this. Then I come here, extrude cut up to surface, up to this surface. Click, Ctrl Z. I should have something like this. Since it's not appearing on, because Ctrl 7 like this, if it's not appearing on the surface, meaning I have a little thing I need to adjust, the sketch. and I'll come here, edit sketch. So if I see if I can drag it down, let's see. The thickness, so this length here, from here to here, this height here is supposed to be 15. Let's see if we get 15. If 15 will be okay for us. Let's see. Okay, better. Onto 7. Then I come here, I sketch again. I use a corner rectangle. Small dimension 24. Check. The next, from here to here is 28. Then what's the next thing? Features extrude boss. The height is 20. 20. I check. 27. So I should have something like this. Then I come here, I click here, I sketch. Corner rectangle. Escape. I use my, come here, have something like this. I click here, hold control, click here, hold control, click here, hold my control. I click on symmetric. Then this from here, small dimension from here to here is 8. It's 8. Then since this is touching the base, I drag it down to touch the base. Then for this small dimension here and here is 10. Then I come here, features, I click on extrude cut. I have something like this. Click here, sketch. Midpoint, I click here, expand, escape. Midpoint, click here, expand. I click here, I convert it to a construction line. I come here, convert it to a construction line. I use my line, do something like this. Line, 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 line. I have something like this. I zoom in, I click here, hold control, click here, and click here. No, I escape. I don't click all the lines. Click here, click here, click here. Symmetry. I zoom out, I come again, I click here, hold control, I click here, and click here. Symmetry again. So what do? I come here, hold here, and hold here. Make it collinear. I come here, click here, collinear. I click here, hold here, click here, again, collinear. What's the next one I need to make collinear? Hold here, click, zoom out, click, hold Ctrl, click.